I'm going to teach you how to make this today. It's pretty easy, lots of fun. It can be used as like a party favor kind of thing. If your child is having a birthday party and you want to do a craft, this is a really easy one. It's great for all ages. I used to do this one with my preschool class, but I also did it for art camp. So just use your imagination. This is all recycled material. So if you don't have any memory foam available, you can use styrofoam, but it's a bit harder. It's not as bendy. But you can even use rags, whatever you find. This is totally recyclable, so I love doing that. So there you go, let's do it. So I found that fabric paint actually works better for this because it'll not be absorbed into it and it'll look more like chocolate. I didn't have brown, so I used green and red, which do make a brown. I added a bit of black to have some depth to it, and then I added some rust too, just because I had it its nutmeg color. And that warms it up a little bit, looking more like milk chocolate. This is actually a really great science thing you can do because mixing colors to make other colors is definitely science meets art. So we have that mixed up, and you can then have your student or child drip the pretend chocolate sauce right on top of your pretend ice cream. Looking delicious. Now we need to add our sprinkles and a cherry on top, of course, and we're just going to dip that into the tacky glue and stick it right on top. And then this is foam pieces, and I thought that looked really like a bunch of sprinkles too. And I am going to put a little bit of glue on everything, even though these feel like they'll self-stick. Eventually, when it's dry, they might not. So you want to have that on there secure. And then you can add some little tiny pom-poms. Do the same thing. You want to dip into that glue. It's a really messy project, but it's really cool when it's done. And stick those on. And then, because this is green, you can pretend it's a mint chocolate chip. So